a card. We're going to put the card back in, and we're going to put it in the deck, and as if by magic, the card comes back up. Not that it's going to be the same card, because I don't know how to do that. I know there are professionals that do.
But his big thing was the ambitious card.
The ambitious card, and this was the one that I always liked, is he would turn it over and then he would fold it, which always blew me away. And then he'd put the folded card in the deck, and of course, hold the deck, and by magic, the card would come back. I hope. Yeah. So, Daryl, thank you. That's mine. Just point to the card. Not that one.
I'll leave it sticking out. Hold your hand out.
Amar must have been floored, because Amar was close to him.
Oh, Amar, Michael put a, oh, I'm sorry. Take it. I'll tell you in a minute.
Not yet. I have the two kings. I'm going to push that in at the same time. Card appears between. It's out of body experience. This is Daryl's, one of Daryl's DVDs. This one uses two cards. Ace, dime, what was it, ace of clubs and six of diamonds. I'm going to make a couple cuts in this.
Whoa.
Like this. He stole this when he was here.
I remember. Yeah.
I never did it, but I decided to do it. Now, if you, let's see, fold it like this.
Probably want to do this with a borrowed deck, right?
Yeah. You can fold it, I believe it's like that.
You have to refill your own.
And then he does this and passes it through his
Yeah,
hands.
yeah.
It magically happens that the cards kind of go through the fourth dimension. And
Yeah.
What the?
Yeah. He taught us that.
Daddy saying what the?
It's in my car.
Yeah, he did that at the lecture.
In the right spot.
Just coming Friday was pretty wide open.
Right. You shuffle those up, mix them up as well as you want. If anybody has a deck of cards and they want to follow along, you can just listen to my instructions and do the same thing right where you're at. Alright, now you need to make 2 piles of 9 cards each, and you can do it any way you want. You can put 1 and 1, or you can put 2 and 3, as long as the total comes out to 9. Or you can do all 9 in one time.
9 each?
Yeah. Alright, you won't need the rest of those. Alright, now all squared up.
Good enough.
Okay, pick up any one of those piles, look at the bottom card. You can show somebody next to you so they'll know that you're telling the truth when it's over. Alright, take that pile and put it on top of the one you didn't look at. Alright, pick up your pile. Whatever your card is, if it was like the 4 clubs, you're going to spell it out. F-O-U-R-O-F-C-L-U-B-S. So spell the whole thing out. I won't. Well, it doesn't matter. There's enough cards. And when you get it spelled out,
Got it.
drop what's left in your hand on top of that pile. Oh, jeez. Now, pick them up. And to get the cards in proper order for everything else to work, we're going to spell out the word death. Every time you spell a letter, you put the card on the table. Okay?
Yeah.
D-E-A-T-H. All right, put the rest of them back on top of that pile. Now, if your card was a black card, you're going to spell eyeballs. This is called zombie maggots. Is the name of this thing.
That makes sense.
I'm sorry, if it's a black card, you're going to spell body parts. And if it's a red card, you're going to spell eyeballs. So you're on your own for that one. If you have a black card, it's body parts, and if it's a red card, it's eyeballs. Then you put the leftover cards on top. All right. Now we're gonna spell out zombie maggots. ZOMBIEMAGGOTS. Now, next card, then next card, you're gonna turn it right up and it should be your card.
Whoa!
Got it.
Whoa!
That's a good one.
That was a good one, I like that.
So then we'll pull the card out and stay on his nose.
Those cards is marked.
They are all marked. Eight of clubs, nine of clubs, five of clubs. They're all 10 of spades though, remember that?
Yes.
They all turn into 10 of spades at the end.
You know why all those cards are different?
So you can tell them apart.
There you go.
Take a card.
It really allows you playing bridge.
Not that one, pick the other one.
Okay,
What a force that
You can
was.
show it around. It doesn't matter. I've seen this trick before.
Ace of spades.
Is it the ace of spades? No? Alright.
I forget what it is, I don't know.
This
That was a classic
is a
rock.
diversion trick, but Daryl's,
he was a student.
That did that.
yeah, and push the cards together like this, and he gave him a couple cuts like
Where's
this.
Dave Fitchett when you need him?
Yeah, he did it.
Then you
Yeah,
shrink
This
the
is
deck.
his hot shot,
Dave Fitchett could do this.
where the cards are mixed, face up, face down. What a mess, huh? Back to back,
Always
face to
doing it
face.
way.
If I can do this. That's a Frank Garcia move, actually, the end. You just snap your fingers,
No way.
all the cards are one way, one
That's not
card is
straight.
face down. Close your
Ace
card.
of spades.
9 times.
Whoa!
Nice.
Can you explain the technology behind that trick?